Is that simple to make $50 worth of cryptocurrency? Well, yes it is, but there's also a catch, so let's talk about it. Hello everyone, my name is Dragos, and right here, right now, we are gonna talk about the easiest money I have ever made online. With no effort whatsoever, and it's literally available to the vast majority of you. Well, with some exceptions of course, depending on the country. But first, if you're not yet subscribed, please consider clicking the big red button to see what happens, and give this video a like if you enjoy it. Let's get started. As many of you probably guessed, I have made roughly $50 on Coinbase. This is a very well-known crypto exchange platform that enables you to, well, exchange cryptocurrencies. When choosing the platform you would like to YOLO your money into, it's very important to choose one that is stable and has also a reputation of being secure. But the number one rule, the most important advice anyone can give you about investing in cryptocurrency, of course, is that you never leave your money on the exchange platform. Always use a wallet to store your money and move it to the exchange only when you want to make a transaction or invest in some cryptocurrency. After that, always withdraw the money to your wallet. The wallet can be online or even a physical one, but more on this on some other videos. And since we got this one out of the way, let's see about the Coinbase Earn program that gives you free crypto while learning about different coins. On the homepage of Coinbase, you will see the Coinbase Earn button, and there are all the lessons you have to watch and answer some very simple questions. After that, you will be rewarded with a few dollars. Personally, I have made $35, but since the market is so bullish, the overall value of the coins spiked to over $50. I could continue to invest here or leave the money in, but I wanted to see if they will allow me to withdraw everything and actually use the free credit. And they did. I got my money out with no problems through PayPal. Now, this all seems too good to be true, right? And moreover, what is their catch? Why do they do this and offer you free money? And maybe $30 is not a lot, but let's say like 6 months ago, they were offering over $100. Of course, they cut out the amount of rewards because the coins actually get more valuable. Now imagine you're a beginner with no prior experience in the cryptocurrency market and you hear about it. You'll definitely try it, right? Make an account because you already have the account and you already earned some money, and the interface is clean and very user-friendly. Now, if you didn't know, Coinbase has probably the biggest fees in the market, and this is mainly the biggest reason I don't invest with them. Also, their selection of coins is quite poor because you can barely find small coins with potential that will make a big return. Another drawback is that you have to fully verify your account. It's mandatory to do this because they will let you earn the free coins. Otherwise, you will be stuck in their waitlist for the lessons for a long time. So they might ask you for a passport, national ID, and even a driving license. Make sure to provide everything and you will be good to go. I wanted to keep this video short and sweet, so I would like to address one last thing. Should you make accounts on different platforms? Or is there one good exchange market that could be used by everyone? The short answer is you should make accounts on different big platforms. You see, besides the affiliate links in the description that, by the way, will give you only benefits at no additional cost for you, there is actually a very good reason. Having accounts on these big platforms like Coinbase, Binance or Gemini, it doesn't mean you have to invest your money right away. But you see that in 2017, when all the coins started to surge in price, a lot of exchanges couldn't handle the big wave of investors. And you will want to avoid this thing when the opportunity rises. You don't want to be stuck on a platform that will crash for a few days or it doesn't support a specific coin you are looking for. And I'm telling you, the whole verification process will get longer and longer, with some platforms even stopping their sign up process in order to keep things working. So it's better to have the accounts now rather than risking later. In other words, check the links in the description and go get your free money on Coinbase while they are still giving away the bonus. Wish you all the best and stay wealthy!